and she come back again. I'm like a
Welcome, sweets. Today I am repping my daughter. Today is her sunset day. But you are here for this beautiful drip. This is from Outre, honey, whatever you want to call it. Today we are looking at Miss Freya and in this beautiful Cajun spice color. I'm so excited. Look at that color, y'all. But come on through and look at these curls. Get her out of this netting. This is a beautiful color, and this is a beautiful wig, you guys. Look at that. Inside cap construction, we have two combs off to the side, you guys. We also have a comb in the back, and then they also gave us an elastic band, which is also great for that added secure fit. Here is our 13x6 parting area. A lot of real estate up there to do whatever you want to do. Here is our stock card, some different ways that you can wear her. She is versatile. Information in the side about hairline. And then here are some different colors on the back. And then we gonna pop this cutie right on. Yes, gotta fix my specs, y'all. But she is really cute. Just popping her on. This is really sexy. I'm loving the curls. Ear tabs and hairline looks beautiful. Gonna have to do a little cutting around those ears. That's what I was looking at. But that's all good. Baby hairs are pretty. Now I'm trying to see if I want to do a right side part, left side part, middle part. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do yet. So we gonna pop her off real quickly here, and I need to tint her, so I am using my tint spray. We gonna go ahead and tint her on the spots that I know that are going to be shown. Then we're going to tint her, let her dry, and then we're gonna pop her right back on. So here she is. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with her. So I have her on my head. I've kind of prepped her. I put some hairspray up at the top. I lined her. I'm going to do a middle part. But then I was also noticing the tracks behind. There's not a lot of hair up front, and then you run into track. The baby hairs are really pretty, but now that I've cut that hairline off and I've cut that lace off, this is what she's looking like again. Really, really pretty. I want that bump at the top, but again, that hairline was like, they could at least gave us a little bit more hair. And I didn't cut the ear tabs off just because you would be able to see that big old track back there. It's like, I wish they would have did a little bit better with that, but you know, pros and cons, ladies and gents, pros and cons. But that's why I left that ear tab here right there so it can hide that, you know, not a lot of real estate up at the top. But I'm going to pop her back on. And she is looking cute, looking cute. You know, I'm going to finger comb her out. But the curls on here are so beautiful. I was getting a little shedding that is common when you have cut the lace off. But now I'm going to put these combs in so it can help lay everything down. If you're new to my channel, I do like wearing my wigs glueless, but with the ear tabs that I'm going to have to keep on there, I'm going to actually spray those down. So you will see that, see me doing that. But besides that, like I said, if you're new, I love wearing my wigs glueless if I can. But you're going to see me spray those ear tabs down just so that they lay down kind of flat. But that's the only part that I'll be using the spray on, is to spray the hair from the ear tabs down just so it lays down flat. And I'm just going to go on the other side and do the same thing. As you can see, I'm just kind of patting that dry, making sure that it stays down. Now we're going to go through and get these baby hairs right, y'all. We're going to use some of that got to be glue. And we're going to do a couple of swoop-dee-dee swoops. Y'all know I am terrible at my baby hairs, but it's just to be trying, okay? I be trying to get it right. I'm getting a little bit better at the swoops. But yeah, I know I do my little baby swoops and we keep it pushing, okay? Like, it's all good. Y'all know what I'm trying to do. It look good. Now I'm going to go through and just add a little bit of my foundation. And then I'm going to take all these clips out. And then, honey, we're going to be looking all cute. It is looking cute. Look at there. I'm feeling like a whole little snack. Yes, baby. Finger comb out, getting a little bit more shedding. But this is really, really cute. And I put them clips up there because I like that bump at the top, if that makes sense. You know, I'm going to put a little bit more hairspray up there because I want them curls just to kind of like fall in my face. But I want that bump action, okay? Y'all know what I'm talking about with that bump action. Let's talk about it, y'all. Welcome back to my channel today. Yes, it's been a minute. I know, y'all. I've been going through some hell, okay? I'm just getting my studio back. It's not back to the way it was, but I'm getting it back to enough to come to you guys and bring you this video today, okay? I'm so excited. And this is a headbanger, okay, that I'm coming back out with. So if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned. First off, I want to welcome all the new sweets to my channel. There's been so many of you guys that have joined our little family. I'm so excited and so appreciative of you guys. So welcome all to my new sweets. Welcome to the sweets family. For my sweets that's been rocking with me since the beginning, you know I love and appreciate you guys so much. Now I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna get into this video for you guys, okay? Because today is my baby's birthday. She is in heaven. If she was here, she would be 11 today. So I am going now to go and celebrate her. But I had to get this wig review out just because I needed some slay on my head to go out today, okay? Can't look raggedy on my baby birthday. So I was like, well, let me go ahead and do two things at once and get it all up out of the way. So today, this is another outre, however you want to say it, okay? And this is Freya. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but I think I am. This is part of their Perfect Hairline series. This is a 13x6 unit. And for my glueless brothers and sisters, you can do this one glueless. Now, you did see in the beginning that I kind of laid down like them little ear tabs, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. But I have her in the color 3DRFF Cajun Spice, and this is a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm glad that I'm getting out and experiencing some new colors because this is really, really pretty. And on all of this chocolate, what? I'm so stupid. Let's get into the specs of this wig. So as always, I got this off of divatress.com. I'll leave all the links below to this unit so that you can go check her out. And if this is a unit that you want, I suggest you hop on it, honey, okay? Because they don't have a lot of colors left, okay? So if you want some of this, you better go hop on it. But so like I said, this is from Outre, part of the Perfect Hairline series. It's a 13x6 fully hand tied, and this is a synthetic wig. And I will tell you, it is not yucky texture. It's kind of a silky type texture, maybe more on the silky side than the yucky. It's kind of a mix. But it says most natural looking hairline. The hairline on here is really gorgeous. I haven't had any issues. The issue I had is in the beginning when I seen that these tracks are literally just laying behind this little curly little space right here. It's like it's all track. So normally, you know, I like wearing my wigs glueless, okay? It's getting hot and I don't want to be dealing with all that. But I left the hair on the ear tab side just because it's like, if I cut that off, you're going to be seeing all of, okay, you don't need to be seeing all of that. You don't need to know that it's a wig, okay, honey? Anywho, so I wanted to leave all of that on here so it's like I can hide all of that demarcation and all that other stuff. So that's why I left that hair, but I cut that lace around there, but I left the hair there, if that makes sense. That would be the only thing that I would say is that I don't like, and that's not part of the airline, but it's like, is that how they sold it in. They could have did a little bit better than that. Pre-plucked, I did pluck it a little bit just because I was trying to make sure when I cut the lace off those baby hairs, it was get those extra hairs out of there from when I had cut the lace off. It says style versatility. And that's meaning that, you know, you got a 13x6 area up here where you can have a middle part, left, right, whatever you want to do. There's stability to do that. Or you can even do a little updo if you wanted to. So you can kind of do this wig any way that you want. But keep in mind that those tracks back there, you're going to need to hide that whichever way that you're trying to wear it. So keep that in mind. It says ear to ear, soft, transparent lace. We've already talked about that, yes. Baby hairs, and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. And they have some beautiful other colors on here, but I'm telling you guys, if this is one that you want, I suggest you go run and now and go get it. I only bought one color because I was like, let me just see how the wig, you know, pans out first. And I was like, then if I like it, I'll go back on here and buy myself a number one. Y'all know how I am. I will go buy my unit first before I post my video, because it's like if I do it after, I may not be able to get my wig, okay? Just saying. But this one is a yes. I would definitely go get that. But you guys know what we do on this channel. It's either a slay or nay. Comment below. Y'all know it's a slay for me because I said I'm going to go buy me and purchase another one. This is really cute. I just love the versatility of it. I love the curls in it. The curls are so pretty. And it's very full. I'm going to turn around and show you guys the back. Very, very full. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. It's like, yes, we getting some cute hair, some light. I just want to show you guys the body of this. It's like, it's got a lot of body in it. And it's like, yes, it's like, come through, okay? Boy, I tell you, Outre and they wigs, y'all, they be coming through with some bangers. It's like, this is all the way cute. Oh my goodness, I have missed you guys. Like I said, it's been a whole ordeal with me being without my studio. I will tell you, don't have Lowe's do shit in your house, okay? I'm gonna keep it cute and keep it mute just like that. Don't have them motherfuckers do a damn thing in your house, okay? Especially if you're black, okay? Just saying, giving you a heads up. Y'all know how I am. I come with the truth and I don't come with no lies. Them bastards, don't have them do nothing in your house. Period. Go somewhere else, okay? But anywho, you guys, this is a beautiful unit. I'm gonna go and enjoy my daughter. Gonna go enjoy and celebrate her on this day today. You know, now that I got my studio back, I have so many wigs for you guys. I have so many reviews. I have more of the Melee's reviews coming. It's like I got so much stuff to get out. I'm so behind, you guys, and I so apologize. But trust me, they're gonna be coming. Make sure you got those notification bells turned on. And if you are new and you just slid in for this video, don't forget to subscribe at the link below and turn on them, like I said, turn on them notification bells so you know when I upload a new video, because they are gonna be coming fast and furious, y'all, okay? And I'll be telling y'all all about the hell that I've been going through, okay? So if you're here for it, come on through and come back. I love you guys. Missed you guys so much. Can't wait to see and talk to you in the next videos. Again, everything will be in the description box. Follow me on my Instagram handle right here. In the next video, my sweets. Peace. See you in the next one.